Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. So today we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBPUSD and we will also share our trading plan of GBPUSD for intraday trading. So first of all, we will discuss about our yesterday's plan which we discussed in our yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch this video. In this video we did this analysis and we share some trading idea. So first of all, we will discuss about that trading idea. So this was the support level and this is also a demand level. That's why we give the idea that we opened a buy trade at this point. Our SL was below this area and TP was almost here with 1-2 risk reward. So this trade hit our SL, which we give the trading idea with all of you guys. And the other one I shared that we will open a sell trade below this support level. When the market break this support level, there was a good opportunity of sell here. If you can see, this candle closed below the support level and also below this wick. So there was a good sell trade with 1-2 risk reward. SL should be above this area and TP should be almost 1-1 risk reward. So that was a very brilliant trade with almost I think 15 pips. And I said that you can take 15 to 20 pips very easily. So this was 10 pips. So this was a good trade, and then market goes up again, and this was the support level. So I can modify this area. So let's remove this area. Okay, so after that, this was the support level. This is the wick of previous candle. This is also a support level, and when the market break this support level, that was also a good trade. If you can see that your trade should be here, your SL should be above this area and your TP should be almost 1-1 risk reward. You got very easily 1-1 risk reward with this trade and with this trade. So these trading ideas shared in yesterday's video. So let's come to the point. Now we are going to do some fresh analysis of GBPUSD. Before going to start the fresh analysis, please like this video, share this video with your friends and Forex groups so that other people can also take benefit of our videos. Make sure you subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live analysis. Okay, so let's modify this area. Let's remove this area, remove this area, remove this area, and remove this area also. Okay, now we are going to H4 time frame. So on H4 time frame, we see there's a consolidation here. Now we come on H1 time frame. Okay, so this is the support level and this is the resistance level for today. So if market break this resistance level and close above this resistance, then there's a good opportunity and high probability chance to go market here to fill the H4 candle wick almost here. So this is the almost 28 to 29 pips range, and I hope you will get a good trade in this range and will get easily 10 to 15 pips. We are intraday trading, that's why we are discuss about only 10 or 15 or 20 pips. Okay, so this is the buy trading idea. Let's show the arrow. Okay, so if we see on H1 time frame, on the other hand, if market break this support level and close below this support, then there's a high probability chance to go market down to 1.4102. so there's a high probability chance to go market down. So this is the consolidation period. Please don't take any trade in this in this area. Let's write here, this is the no trade range. So if market break this range upside or downside, then you can open a trade. If market break this resistance and close above this resistance, then there's a high probability chance to go market up over here. And if market break this support level, then there's a high probability chance to go market down. So these are the trading ideas of GBPUSD for today. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex groups. Make sure you followed us on our other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.